Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Aviva Canada Insurance Review My Home and Auto Policy Experience. Aviva Canada Insurance, as many of you probably know, offers home and auto insurance policies. They aim to provide comprehensive coverage for Canadians looking to protect their homes, vehicles, and themselves from unforeseen events. They target homeowners, drivers, and families across Canada, offering various packages and coverage options. Key features often include liability coverage, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, and various add-ons depending on your specific needs. Their website provides details on their different policies and allows you to get quotes. They emphasize ease of use in managing your policy online, along with competitive pricing and various discounts. While they don't explicitly advertise no hidden fees, their site does break down the coverage options and costs fairly clearly. Aviva seems to be positioning themselves as a reliable and accessible insurance provider with a focus on digital tools for managing your policy. You can check availability and get a personalized quote directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Aviva Canada for my home and auto insurance. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I went to their website, entered my information, and received a few different quote options within minutes. Choosing the right coverage and customizing it to my needs was relatively easy thanks to the clear explanations provided. I appreciated the online portal, which made managing my policy convenient. I could easily access policy documents, update my information, and even submit claims online. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I found the dashboard well organized, displaying key policy information like coverage details, payment due dates, and contact information. I also used their online claims portal when a tree branch fell on my car. While it wasn't a fun experience, filing the claim online was simple and straightforward. I uploaded photos of the damage and filled out a short form. I received a confirmation email almost immediately, and a representative contacted me within a day to discuss the next steps. I was really impressed by how quickly they processed my auto claim. Within a week, the damage was assessed, and the repair was approved. The standout feature for me was definitely the online portal. Having everything accessible 24/7 was extremely convenient. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app at the time I used the service, although I believe they may have one now, so be sure to check the App Store. It would be much more convenient than always logging in on my laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Aviva Canada. They provided competitive rates, a user-friendly online platform, and efficient claims processing. That's my overview of Aviva Canada Insurance Review My Home and Auto Policy Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.